This is a Nelson Rydell from Nelson's Locomotive Works eccentric pump, axle pump for a locomotive that I'm building. It's got a 7/8 axle. This is an 1.5-inch scale engine. The eccentric hub right here, there's 4 pieces that make this up. The eccentric hub, and there's a retainer on the other side that holds the inner race of the bearing to the eccentric hub. And then there's an outer race retainer that's attached to the cylinder that actually does the pumping. And that's a Clippard H9S1D. It's a 3/8 offset or 3/4 total stroke for the pump. It's keyed to the axle, and I just got it loose right here, but it's keyed to the axle, and there'll be a set screw in here to retain the eccentric hub to the axle. The other side is there's a 6809 bearing in there, and it's a neat bearing. It's got a big hole in the middle of it to allow this all to happen. But anyway, there's this 3-screw plate here retains the eccentric hub onto the eccentric there, and then the 4-screw holds the outer race of the bearing onto its retainer, which is the part that's attached to the cylinder. So then, of course, as the axle moves, the cylinder stroke, so I'm out of hands here, I can't show how that all works. But anyway, if you want to go to Nelson's website, it's really a neat design. This is the 3rd or 4th one I've built for locomotives, and I really like it. It's smooth and reliable. Components are changeable. If you have a problem, you can put a new cylinder on, and if you look on his drawings, back on the back end is 2 check valves, one for the intake and one for the discharge of the pump. So they're all standard parts, and those are Clippard check valves as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you make one of these for your engine.